Nusantara News TV, your trusted source for accurate and balanced information. I am Naila Ramadani, bringing you the latest top stories this evening. We begin tonight with an important update from the aviation sector. An ATR 42-500, a twin-engine turboprop airplane commonly used for regional and domestic flights has been reported missing connect during a domestic journey earlier today. The aircraft departed from its origin airport and was scheduled to land at its destination according to the approved flight plan. However, several minutes before the estimated landing time, communication between the aircraft and air traffic control was suddenly lost. Tibetan authorities confirmed the repeated attempts were made to reestablish communication with the ATR 42-500, but no response was received. As a result, the aircraft was officially declared missing. Connects and emergency response procedures were immediately activated. The aircraft was carrying with number of passengers along with its flight crew. At this stage, officials have not yet released the confirmed number of people on board. As of now, aviation authorities have not been able to determine the cause of the loss of connect. The ATR 42-500 aircraft is known to have been carrying a number of passengers as well as crew members. A joint task force consisting of Basarnas, the Indonesian National Armed Forces, the National Police, and aviation authorities has been deployed to conduct search operations. The search efforts are focused on aerial roads and area believed to be the aircraft last known flight path. Meanwhile, the airline has stated that it is fully coordinating with all relevant parties. The airline also emphasized that the aircraft and on-the-ground standard inspection and safety procedures prior to departure. Viewers, as of this report, the search operation is still ongoing. The public is advised to remain calm, refrain from speculation, and await official information from the authorities. That concludes our report from this evening. I am Naila Ramadani on behalf of the entire newsroom at Nusantara News TV. Thank you for watching. Good night.